Hi friends, today we will learn cursive letters T, P, J. Okay, I will show the formation. Start from the third line, draw a slanting line, touch the first line. Draw a slanting line, touch the first line, come down, touch the third line. Draw a slanting line, come down, touch the third line, make a curve. Draw a slanting line, come down, touch the third line, draw a curve, then draw a sleeping line. Letter T. Next letter P. Touch the third line, draw a slanting line, touch the second line, come down, draw a slanting line, come down, touch the fourth line, go up, then make a curve, draw a slanting line, come down, go up, make a curve like this. Letter P. Next letter J. Draw a slanting line, draw a slanting line, touch the second line, come down, draw a slanting line, come down, touch the fourth line, make a loop, draw a slanting line, come down, touch the fourth line, make a loop, then put a dot. Letter J. Okay, thank you.